After about a month since he denied corruption-related charges over alleged compensation in the acquiring of land for the construction of the standard gauge railway, embattled National Land Commission Chairperson Mohamed Swazuri got a reprieve after the High Court granted him access to his office unconditionally. In a ruling by Justice Hedwig Ong'udi, the court found it impractical for Swazuri to be informing and writing letters to the Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission every day in order to access his office.
I therefore find that Section 362 of the CPC is applicable in the circumstances of this case. This is for the purposes of making it practical for the applicant to carry out his official duty and not to earn as full salary for doing nothing. I therefore set aside the order complained of and substitute it with an order directing the applicant to make an undertaking not to interact and or interfere with the witnesses at his workplace or any other witness. He will also undertake not to interfere with the records and or documents relevant to the case at hand. Failure to comply will lead to automatic cancellation of his bond.
Swazuri, alongside Railways Managing Director Atanas Maina and 17 others, are out on bond over 222 million shillings allegedly lost in the acquisition of land for the construction of the standard gauge railway. Meanwhile, the Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission has been temporarily barred from searching or seizing properties belonging to former Nairobi Governor Evans Kidero. In a ruling by Justice Hedwig Ong'udi, the court restrained the anti-graft body from conducting further raids to Kidero's home until Tuesday, when the court will make a ruling in a case where Kidero is accusing EACC of harassing him.
So, pending that ruling, can we put everything on hold? It's not for a week, it's not for a month.
And a Rwandese national has been sentenced to life in prison after the High Court found her guilty of killing a female friend following a conflict over a white boyfriend. Justice Jesse Lesit ruled that Antonite Wineza deliberately killed her friend and her 7-month-old baby in February 2013 at Saharan Lodge along Duruma Road in Nairobi. Finally, the Lapsset Corridor Development Authority has been ordered to involve lawyers of the petitioners and the Lamu County government in implementing the orders issued by the court regarding the right to culture for Lamu County residents. In a report received by the High Court, Lapsset has already set up a draft action plan report containing the impacts of the Lapsset Corridor projects to the culture of Lamu people, mitigation strategies and implementation. The parties in the case have been directed to file their submission before 15th January 2019, ahead of the hearing set for February 2019. Ben Chumba reporting for Scales of Justice.